on, guys? It's K-Dub here with another episode of CryptoZombie. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having an awesome day today. I had to make another update. We do still have Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in the green today. You could see ever since this morning, we've been in a nice, consistent uptrend. Now, Bitcoin did have a little bit of a top out, almost at around the $9,800 level. But what I really wanted to point out was we were talking about this massive critical resistance right here. We had two resistance points, both from the wick and from the pump at the solid candle. And you can see right here, Bitcoin has broken above both of those key resistances. Now, what is going on? Where did all of this bullish sentiment come from? Well, it could potentially be from the fact that we now have three sources coming out saying that PayPal and Venmo could potentially be offering the buying, selling, and even their own cryptocurrency wallet. So is this what's driving the pump? Well, we also have $1 billion worth of options looking to expire at the end of this week, and that is currently slightly leaning towards the bullish sentiment. We also need to talk about the fact that we have another CME futures gap. So I want to do a super quick update today, guys. Lots of things going on. I had to bring you a second update for the day. Super quick, if that sounds good to you, if you like the extra content that we're putting out today, definitely smash the likes and let's dive directly in. So, like I said right here, you can see we did in fact break out above this resistance that we had after we had the pump on June 20th. Now on the macro, we still do have some work to do, but short term, this is a victory for Bitcoin. Now, interestingly enough, check this out. So we were in this downtrend right here on CME futures. We got up, we broke out of it. And then look at this. The previous support right here acted as resistance just for 4 hours for a 4-hour candle. And then we finally got above it, but we actually closed the CME futures at $9,680. So currently having a look right now on Bybit, that's where the price of Bitcoin is hanging out. So there's a good chance that if price does fall a little bit lower overnight, if we get back down to 9,543, we may actually try to pump up to fill that gap. However, if tomorrow we wake up and the price is skyrocketed, it may actually try to fall a little bit down to fill the gap, right? So I just wanted to point that out, but we are trying to push towards the top of this resistance again, and that is around the $9,800 level. You can see on both the spot and the regular charts, that is the level that we want to break out of, and the ultimate resistance on the spot charts right here is around 10,100, and like I said, it looks like we are going to be putting in another golden cross. You can see the 100 moving average. You see how it's curving up like this? It's trying to break above the 200 moving average. Now, we already had the 50 do it back here, and if we actually zoom back to the last time that we had that clear break, we actually did have a little bit of a fake out right here, but we did have this massive pump right here when we did have that back in May of 2019. So just wanted to point that out. You can see over here, Big Ched said that the 4-hour candle, we actually were pushing above the 200 moving average on the 400 and breaching the upper Bollinger Band. So lots of crazy price action for Bitcoin right now. Now, some people are saying it's just correlated with the stocks. You can see over here, NASDAQ stock markets did put in a little bit of a close, very small green candle on the daily. And also, if we were to break out of that zone, that would put us out of this major blue box territory that Bitcoin has trended in basically since 2017. You could see that even though, yes, Bitcoin has gotten above this level, we've been below this level, we have spent the majority of our time sort of in this blue zone right here. And you can see that if we zoom in, that level of breakout is at the $9,800 level. So I think that short term, that 9.8K level is really where we need to keep our eyes on. After we break out of that, the next level currently for Bitcoin is getting above 10,870. And that's basically from top of the wick to top of the wick on both of the major pumps in 2017 and 2018. And yeah, I mean, if Bitcoin can get above $10,800, $10,900, I seriously think we could potentially see a massive blast off. Now, I want to tell you the two different price targets that we're kind of looking at in just a minute. We're going to get to that, but huge news, potential news. Now, guys, keep in mind, this could be a rumor. This is just coming from some sources. Don't kill the messenger. I'm just bringing you the updates. However, it looks like PayPal could be potentially planning to roll out direct sales of cryptocurrency. Now, keep in mind, PayPal has 325 million users. Lots of people are using Venmo as well. Can you imagine in a few months if all of a sudden, you know, all your friends that are using PayPal and Venmo just update their phones, check out the update, and it says, hey, check out our updated Bitcoin and, you know, cryptocurrency wallet, buy and sell crypto, or, you know, send crypto to your friends and family, right? So anyway, according to, this is where it gets a little bit fuzzy, a well-placed industry source, they say, my understanding is that they are going to allow buys and sells of crypto directly from PayPal and Venmo. They are going to have some sort of a built-in wallet functionality so you can store it there. So they may even have their own wallet, right? They say it is unclear which or how many cryptocurrencies would be available, but the industry source said that they have expected PayPal would be rolling out multiple exchanges to source liquidity. So some of the ones that they're talking about is potentially Coinbase, maybe even Bitstamp. Now, they did reach out to them, both Coinbase and Bitstamp, and they declined to comment, okay? I know, right? No comment yet, but hold on. A second source confirmed that PayPal is looking to offer buying and selling of crypto and said that the service could be expected within the next 3 months, maybe even sooner. PayPal declined to comment on the plans. Now, the fact that we have PayPal, Coinbase, and Bitstamp all declining to actually make a comment, now, you would think instantly, well, that's a bad thing. They're not commenting. But then again, if there was a rumor that PayPal and Venmo were going to be rolling out cryptocurrency services and they did reach out to Coinbase and Bitstamp, don't you think that they would just say no? They would say that's wrong. This is misinformation. This is a rumor, versus just not commenting. You know what I'm trying to say? Could be blowing this out of proportion. Let me know, guys. But, you know, it's been a while since we've had this type of like exciting news coming out for crypto. So whether or not this actually turns out to be true, I definitely think it's got a lot of people excited. You can see that the price of Bitcoin is clearly moving. Like I said, some people may be saying, well, it's just moving because the stocks are moving. But yeah, I think that's definitely big news. And I also wanted to just add the fact that if you checked out my previous video earlier, we were talking about the fact that we have $1 billion worth of options looking to expire on June 26th. So that is literally at the end of this week. Now, Deribit Exchange put out a bit of a report on this, and they said that the increase in the volume and open interest of options has been massive since the time of the halving. Now, we did see that like very recently it has slightly died down in the volume, but what they do say is due to the presence of monthly and bi-monthly derivative contracts, the Bitcoin halving hysteria is technically still in play when it comes to the options. And a lot of these calls were covered when the price surged above the $10,000 level. Now here's the interesting thing. They note that liquidity providers are in fact net short, which means that traders, okay, people trading, are net long. The report suggests that the outer bounds of Bitcoin price in the next few weeks are $5,000 for the bears. That's a pretty incredible move. But also on the flip side, we're looking for a $15,000 potential move, not move, but a $15,000 Bitcoin for the Bitcoin bulls. So traders on Deribit and CME have a 2-to-5 put to call ratio, which is generally seen as bullish. So maybe we're getting too excited here. Maybe we're putting the carriage ahead of the horse. You know, we just need to obviously start putting in a short-term high, right, on the macro. This could just be a fake out. You never know. You know, anything could happen in the magical, wonderful, crazy land of cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. But between the fact that we have the options, generally bullish, we have this potential news from PayPal and Venmo. We don't have 100% confirmation. Tomorrow could find out this is a complete rumor. Okay, but that's definitely going for it. Plus the option, I said that already, the options, 1 billion expiring, definitely pretty crazy. So drop your comments below. Let me know what you think. What do you guys think about a second update today? You guys happy about it? Also, if you didn't check out the video that I did earlier, definitely check out the NGRAVE Zero wallet. This wallet is freaking amazing, guys. It absolutely blew my mind. I cannot wait to get my hands on it. There's a lot of other wallets out there that claim to be air-gapped, but they're not, okay? They do it in a way that's very easy to find the private keys, whereas this literally doesn't connect to anything. Check it out, guys. A lot of the stuff is sold out. You can see the the specials, the early bird combos. You can still get a few of these. But yeah, there is only 3 days now left, so definitely going quick. Check that out. But yeah, we're going to be keeping our eyes on this Bitcoin price. Definitely crazy. Let me know. Drop your comments below. That's it for me today, guys. Super quick update. Again, 2 videos in one day. What is going on? This is absolute madness, but had to bring the news to you. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. If you're not subscribed, definitely consider it. We do this for the most part almost every single day. Sometimes I got to take days off. I am a human. Love you guys. You're awesome. Join the free Telegram group. You guys know what to do. You know the spiel. My name's K-Dub. This is CryptoZombie. Until next time, stay crypto. And of course, peace out.